If you want to know how to delete your X.com or Twitter account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to deactivate your account, which is the process X uses for deletion. I'll also explain what happens after deactivation, so you know what to expect before you finish. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's get started. First, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. On the left-hand side of the screen, click More. This opens up the full menu with additional account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account, security, privacy and profile controls. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Your Account. In this section, you'll find options related to your account ownership and deactivation. Next, select Deactivate your account. X will now show you important information about what deactivation means, including how long your account stays in the deactivation period before it is fully removed. Take a moment to read this carefully so you understand the process before continuing. When you're ready, click Deactivate. After that, X will ask you to enter your password to confirm that you really want to deactivate the account. Type in your password carefully, then confirm the action. Once you do that, your account will be scheduled for deactivation. Keep in mind that deactivation is the final step before deletion, so if you do not log back in during the deactivation window, your account will be permanently removed. If you ever change your mind, you may be able to reactivate it by signing back in before that period ends. And that's it. You've now learned how to deactivate and effectively delete your X.com or Twitter account. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.